welcome to Simple Learn. Today's topic is addition of integers. We have mainly 5 properties of addition of integers. So let's look at one by one. Sum of integer is an integer. So what does that mean? If you add two integers, the answer is an integer. We know on the number line, we have here the negative numbers, here the positive numbers, right? So when you add any of these numbers, it's going to be an integer. You will get either 0, you will get -1, -2 or a +1, +2. If you add any of these numbers, you are going to get any numbers on the right side or any numbers on the left side. That is called sum of integer is an integer. So I'm giving you an example. -6 plus 2. So what is the answer of this? That will be an integer. Okay. So -6 plus 2. We have to take a number line 0, -1, -2, -3. I need to extend this line a little bit here. -4, -5 and -6. The numbers goes to the left. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers goes to the right. Now what is -6 plus -2? -6 plus 2 is going to 2 units to the right side. Right? This is +2. So I am adding -6 to 2. From -6, I need to go 2 places to the right. What is the answer here? -4. So -6 plus +2 is equal to -4. Is -4 an integer? Yes, it's an integer. So that is what sum of integers is an integer. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one talks about change in order of addition does not change the sum. We have already learned so many properties of addition like A plus B. If you're adding two numbers, one number is A, another number is B, is equal to B plus A. You can change the order of number, but the answer is going to be the same. So the previous example which I showed you, -6 plus 2. This is equal to, I change this order. Now here B is 2. B is 2 plus A is -6. -6 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus -6. So how is it coming? Take again a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are negatives. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes like that. -6 plus 2 we have already checked, going to the right side. 2 times we get -4. Now how was 2 plus -6 comes? I am in 2 place, right? I have to add 6, but I have to come to the left side. I should not go to the right side. I should always come to the left side as it is negative. Okay. So from 2 I am coming 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did I come? It is -4. So the answer is same. So -6 plus 2, 2 plus -6 is a -4. Answer is same. So that's why change in order of addition does not change the sum. It's going to be equal. Now, I hope all of you understand this. Next property. Grouping of numbers during addition does not change the sum. So when you do a grouping of numbers, it should be more than 2. Right? A plus B plus C. Right? You can group this 2 together. equal to A plus B plus C. You can group this two together. So this is called grouping in addition. Grouping of numbers during addition does not change the sum. This is the same property of addition. Okay. So here negative 6 plus 2 plus 3, just took a number C as 3, equal to 6, negative 6 as A, negative 6 plus, what are the next numbers? 2 plus 3. This is grouping. Here I grouped negative 6 and 2. Here I grouped 2 and 3. So how is the answer coming? Negative 6 plus 2. Negative 6. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Goes like this. Negative 6 plus 2. 2 times I should jump to the right. Negative 4. Now I have to add 3. I got an answer, negative 4 here. The answer of negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4 plus 3. Right? So negative 4 I should jump 3 times right. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Negative 1. Now let's look at this. Negative 6, I am keeping it there. 2 plus 3. Right? 2 plus 3. So I should extend here. 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. It is 5. Right? 2 plus 3 is 5. So negative 1 plus negative 6. I'm sorry. This is negative 6. Okay? Negative. Okay. This is the answer for this. Okay? Negative 6 plus, I'm giving this here. Negative 6 plus 5. Now what I should do? I am adding 5 and negative 6. Right now I am at 5th place. Right? From 5th place I should jump 6 times towards the left because it is negative. It's not positive. If it is positive I will be jumping towards the right side. Now it is negative, I should jump towards left side. From 5 I am jumping left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am in this place, negative 1. So even if you regroup it, the sum is going to be the same. So that's what grouping of numbers during the addition does not change sum. Now let's look at the next property. Sum of integer and 0 is equal to same integer. You already know when you add 0 to a number, the answer is same number. A plus 0 is equal to A. Right? 1 plus 0 equal to 1. It's not 10. It's 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Some people do a mistake. 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. They think, okay, it's a multiplication. Remember, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. When you add 0 to a number, it's going to be the same number. Same as negative 1 plus 0. It's going to be negative 1. Okay. So that's what sum of integer and 0 is equal to the same integer. Okay. The last property of addition. Integer A and negative A is additive inverse. So, what are additive inverse? When you add those two numbers, you should get 0 as the answer. That is called additive inverse. So, take an example. A is a number. You should add some number to this A, but the answer is equal to 0. This number is called additive inverse. This should be negative A. Take an example of negative 2. Negative 2 plus dash is equal to 0. In your number line, 0, 1, 2. Right? To get this negative 2, from negative 2 I should get 0. Right? I should get 0 from negative 2. how many times I should jump? 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times I jump towards the right. So negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is additive inverse of negative 2? It is 2. Now let's look at this. From 2, if I have to get 0, what should I do? I should jump towards the left side 2 times. I jumped towards the left side. So 2 plus jump towards the left side 2 times negative 2 is equal to 0. So that's what additive inverse is. So additive inverse is a number which is adding to some number should give a 0. That's called additive inverse. So any number, you take 8, additive inverse is minus 8. Take 13, additive inverse is negative 13. Right? That's what additive inverse is. Let's look at one example of addition. Negative 7 plus 4. How do you add these two numbers or these two integers? We have learned about the number line. You have to draw this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So now we have learned how we jump to the right or the left according to this. When you get these two numbers, you are taking this negative 7 first. You're keeping this first in your mind. You are standing here. You're standing on negative 7. Now, how many steps I have to go to? I have to go to 4 steps to the right. Here it is addition. Here I don't have a negative sign. So I should go 4 steps to the right. I will be going 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am in negative 3. So negative 7 plus 4 is equal to negative 3. Okay. Next, if you are having 3 plus negative 2. If this is the condition, you are standing at 3. You have to move 2 steps. Where should you move? You should move to the left because it is negative. You should move 2 times left. Where are you now? It's 1. So when you move 2 times to the left of 3, it is 1. That is called 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is how we do addition. I'll be coming up with some more examples of addition in a later video. Before that, I'll have to cover some properties of subtraction, and both together I'll be covering in next video. Thank you. So we will be covering some more examples in the upcoming videos. I have to take some properties of subtraction and then we will cover some examples. I'll show you how the number is added, the integers are added without the number line. If you are having more numbers like 253 and all, how do you add that? That I'll be covering in the next upcoming video. So I'll give you some questions. You can try out these and comment it out. Negative 7 plus 2 is equal to negative 4 plus 3 equal to negative 5 plus 0 equal to. Try out these questions and comment me answers of these. So next time we will see. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.